Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be explaining DeepSeek Model 1, what it is, why it is shocking the AI industry, and how it's different from the traditional models. So I will break it down in the simple terms so that you understand the key ideas without any confusion. So first of all, let's just cover what DeepSeek Model 1 actually is. So the DeepSeek Model 1 is an advanced AI model which is designed to combine very deep understanding with the broad capabilities. You can think of it as an AI that can interpret, reason, and generate in ways that feel more intelligent and versatile than many existing models. Now, what makes DeepSeek different is its ability to store and use the context across extremely long conversations. Traditional AI often forgets and loses the track of the earlier part of a discussion. DeepSeek Model 1 was trained to remember more, handle the complex reasoning, and maintain the coherence over the extended interactions. One of the things that shocked the industry is how DeepSeek handles the multimodal inputs, meaning it doesn't just work with the text, it can grasp the images, the videos, and the other data formats in a unified way. Instead of treating each type of the information separately, it connects them together to build the richer understanding. So this allows it to describe the visuals, reason about the senses, and even connect visual context to the text reasoning seamlessly. If you want to just explore the full analysis, you can come over here on this particular page. Now, another reason that I was mentioning is turning the heads is its efficiency and the reasoning style, whereas many of the models generate the responses based mostly on the patterns matching. DeepSeek combines the advanced reasoning layers that approximate contextual planning instead of the simple generation. So in practice, this means that it can stay on the task more reliably, even in the complicated or the nuanced queries. So one of the industry's biggest reactions come from its flexibility. So DeepSeek Model 1 was reportedly designed to be fine-tuned for many type of tasks, from deep research assistance to the multi-step creative workflows without losing the performance. So this combination of memory, multimodal understanding, and reasoning is why many experts are calling it one of the most significant leaps in the AI architecture in the years. So if this video helped you understand what DeepSeek model actually is, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.